The adjustment block is part of your router's base lock assembly. The metal part is pressed against the motor housing by the clamp, locking the base in place. It has a set screw threaded in it that allows you to set how firmly the clamp locks. Over time, the adjustment lock can wear down or fatigue and break. Replacing the adjustment block is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the base from the router motor. Now remove the pin from the base lock. The pin is secured with a small retaining ring. I'll use a screwdriver to remove it, being careful that I don't lose it. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the pin. And the clamp. And now I can remove the adjustment block. Now I can install the new adjustment block. I'll need to transfer the set screw from the old block to the new. I'll take note of the approximate depth of the set screw before I remove it. And I'll thread it into the new block to about that same depth. Now I can reassemble the clamp. First I'll install the adjustment block. Next, the clamping block. And now the strap and lever. And I'll reinstall the pin. And secure it with the retaining ring. I'll finish by reinstalling the motor into the base. I'll lock the clamp, checking for the proper tension. If it's too tight, I'll loosen the screw. Too loose, and I'll tighten it. And that's how easy it is to replace the adjustment block on your router.